The Linex White Icon Pack is an Android application aimed at users who desire a clean and elegant aesthetic for their device. Featuring a collection of icons with a predominantly white and minimalist design, this icon pack emphasizes simplicity and sophistication through its use of light tones and refined shapes. Linex White typically includes a wide array of icons tailored for popular applications, allowing users to easily customize their home screens with a consistent and harmonious look. The bright icon designs contrast well with darker backgrounds, making it an appealing option for those who favor a lighter theme. In addition to icons, the app often provides matching wallpapers and widget options, enabling users to achieve a unified appearance across their devices. With an intuitive interface, users can quickly browse and apply icons, enhancing their device's visual appeal without hassle. Overall, the Linex White Icon Pack is an excellent choice for Android users looking to achieve a modern and polished look with their iconography.